corner, my little corner of the country. Today I have Luxury Diva. This is for the month of March, so I'm super excited to open it to see what I got. If you don't know about Luxury Diva, it is, let me turn the light on, is that better? It is a women's accessories box that is $30 a month if you sign up to do it monthly, or if you just want to do a one-time box to check it out, it's $35 a month. Now I will put my I have a code, a coupon code, where you can get $5 off your first box, so you can get the box for $5 off. I just said that. All right, so let's dig in. I should have opened this before I got on here, but I didn't. So let's see what March is. So let me know in the comments how you guys are all doing handling this COVID-19 thing. I think it feels like the Twilight Zone. I don't know. It's just so weird. Now I have to say I'm excited because I'm sad for her and excited too that my daughter's school in Rochester got canceled. They're closing down and going online only from now until the end of this semester. So she was home for spring break. She is home for spring break this week, and just got a message that due to the coronavirus or COVID-19, they were going online only. So she, flew home. Her car and all of her stuff is there in Rochester. So she's gonna fly back Monday, which was her originally scheduled flight. Fly back, get her stuff together, get all the books and stuff she needs, and drive back home. And then instead of being home for a week, now she's going to be home until August, whenever the fall semester starts. And I think it's really hard on them because they had a lot of operas and performances that they've been really working hard at, and because of this, those have been canceled. And so that, I know that's sad because they put a lot of work into it, and it's fun, the things that they're doing, and so for it to be canceled is kind of a bummer. And plus she had a church job there where she sings and gets paid to sing. That's her job, and in the choir, and now that's gonna be gone too, but she'll find something around here because she's amazing, and everybody around here loves her. As far as, well, they love her for everything, but her singing ability is well known around here. All right, so this is the Luxury Diva for March, and my little card from Marina. I love it. Hello, Crystal. Have no fear because spring is almost here. Yes, I'm excited. I bet that North Carolina weather is marvelous. Yes, oh my gosh, it is. I love it. It's 70 degrees here today. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun when you open this March box. Enjoy and happy St. Patrick's Day. Love, Marina. Oh, XOXO. She's sweet. And this, I think, is just a little good luck coin. Isn't that cute? Little plastic. I'm not gonna take it off here because my dog will get it, but I'll take it off later. Oh, okay. So you get a sheet. Ooh, that's all you're gonna see. That tells you what is in the box. I usually don't like to look at that first. I like to just dig in and see what I get. But it says March 2020 edition is Lucky You, and the total retail value is $111. I like that number, 111. All right, so we're gonna go through it. And by the way, my husband is not in this video today. Normally he's in my Luxury Diva videos, but due to COVID-19, he works for Coke. And I don't know if in your state you guys are having the same problem we are here in North Carolina, but there is a shortage of water and paper products and stuff. So due to that, everybody going and buying up all the water, they're having to work extra hours to try to get things back to normal. And so he's really, really tired. He just got home. It's 4:30 and he has to be back at work at 2 a.m. I believe, which is not his normal schedule. And So yeah, say a little prayer for him because he's really, really, really tired. Yeah. All right, so here is my luxury Divas. Love it. I love getting this stuff in the mail. It's such a fun, just happy thing, and especially with all the stuff going on in the world. It's just, it's nice to have something normal going on. All right. Oh my gosh, it looks like a box full of goodies. Okay, first, my phone keeps dying, sorry, is a little shamrock sucker. I have on my shamrock shirt today. I thought that was cute for March. I love it. I will definitely enjoy that. Now, let me get this paper so I can tell you how much everything is worth. All right, first we have, and I know you guys have already seen everybody's. I get mine a little bit later in the month, but I may change that, I may not. I kind of like getting it later. It's I don't know, I just love it. All right, this is brush and hair accessories set. You get a little clip. I love the blue one. A whole bunch of ponytail holders. Those are super cute. And a nice new brush. I like this. I like the size of that. All right, and this is brush and hair accessories set. Is worth, or is a value of $12. All right, next we have, where is it? I knew it's in here because I saw it. Okay, next we have extended mascara. Where's the word? Extended, there you go. And it is waterproof, I believe. I'm excited about that. How did y'all know that I just ran out of mascara? Let's see, extended thick waterproof mascara by Oaklyn, $12. Love it. I love it when they're big and fat like that. That usually means, hold on, that they're really good. I don't know why, but it does. It means they have a big fat brush, which I like that. Yes, this is gonna be good, good, good. Love it. I love that this box, that you get so much variety. It's unlike any other subscription box out there. You get all kinds of stuff. All right, next we have a geometric and striped silk scarf 2-pack. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Look at that. It's got, hold on. Flowers. Where's that at? You know what? And I've heard the new thing the thing to do with these is to put them in your hair, like put you a ponytail like back in the 50s. And I wasn't alive then, but yeah. Or you can use it as a, like you could do this. Let's see. Anyway, geometric and striped silk scarf 2-pack. It's valued at $20. And available in various colors. I love these colors. It's not really gonna match what I have on today, but you could do this with it. Just tie it up like this. Aw, cute. Cute, cute. I don't know if you'd hang it down, tie it in a bow. That's cute. You could leave it hanging down. This, like that. That looks a little silly. Or tie it in your ponytail. Obviously, that's probably what I'll do, is tie it in a ponytail. Or you can even tie them around your neck, like that. Cute. All right, I know I'll use these. Yet another cute item. I really love those colors. Very nice and springy. I about wanted to eat that sucker. I think I'm gonna eat it. Oh, I almost cursed. Sorry, I had plastic in my mouth. Okay, I won't do that. I know that's gonna be annoying to y'all. It's good. Okay, next we have a green bag, and it has, this is an, I don't have my glasses on. I can't really see. Druzy oval mixed beads bracelet set. 4 individual pieces come together to create a bevy of bracelets to wear. As many or as few as you choose, each unique bracelet pairs beautifully with the others for easy coordinating. And I love these colors, so pretty. You guys see I already have some on. These are cute, look at that. It's like light blue and turquoise. Those are pretty colors. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. That's very pretty. I really, really, really like those colors. And those, I already said, valued at $20. Okay, next we have, oh, I'm so glad I caught the gray, because I already have a white one. A heather gray adjustable strap camisole. This is valued at $13. You can never have enough camisoles in your life. Love it. So glad I got gray. So I really like gray. I'm sorry. I don't know what can I do to make my phone not do that. It goes dark and I can't see anything. All right, so that is valued at $13. Heather gray adjustable strap camisole. Self-explanatory. And last, I am so happy I got the blue, because I saw other people's and I was saying, please blue, please blue, please blue, and I got it. All right, navy blue knit dropped cardigan, value of $29, suitable for work, play, or that special night out. This cardigan is perfect to keep the chill off. I love it. This is a really pretty color. And it's very sheer, see, so like if it's cool one night, like I said, it's 70 here now, but in the evening it might get down to in the 40s still. So this would be nice to put on to go out to grab a bite to eat or something. And I love how I love the colors. See how they're it's blue and then with white in it. I just think that's really cute. And it is by Sofra. All right, I don't know. I'm not gonna put it on because it is warm in here today. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's recap. March 2020 edition, Lucky You. Total retail value, $111. I got a cardigan. I got a camisole. I got some 2-pack of scarves. And I got a brush, ponytail, and clip set. I got waterproof mascara, and I got beautiful bracelets. That is a lot of stuff for $30. You did it again, Luxury Diva. Sorry, Tucker, I woke him up. I love it. I love everything about this box. I love the company. I love the diva-ness. Everything's always just right up my alley and right exactly my style. So yeah, if you haven't tried Luxury Diva, you should definitely give it a try. It is a great company. They're super easy to work with, super friendly. They you fill out a thing that you tell them some of your likes and some of your dislikes. It's not real in-depth, but it's in-depth enough for them to know what you like and what you don't like. And then also, I have noticed, like, if one time I took something, I asked to change my profile, and they're really happy to do that too. So it's really good, and they work really well with you. So, and I think they're from New Jersey, so I bet it's still cold. I don't know if it's still cold up there or not, but yeah, North Carolina has beautiful weather, so goodness, I'm about to choke. All right. I love New Jersey too. We went up there one time and went to visit the Cake Boss. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all are anywhere close to that, but that was the best pastries I have ever tasted in my life. Me and my daughter and husband went there on her way to Rochester to school. So we may have to go back by there on our way to bring her home when she gets done. All right, guys, have a lucky day and enjoy your weekend, because this is Friday. So I'm excited to have a little bit of time with my family and just to relax. And y'all stay well. Stay away from, I was coughing because I got choked. Stay away from anybody coughing. Just stay well, use common sense. And if you do get this virus, may God be with you and protect you. And heal you quickly. So, all right, have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll see you on my next video. Like and subscribe if you have not yet done so, and again, I'll see you soon. Bye.